Randy, will you just look at that scenery? Dude, just... Fine, I'll make you look. Look at it. Look at how pretty that is. You wouldn't even know that we had a fire 2 years ago right over there. That's insane. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Just that scenery, it's gorgeous. Wow. Well, Randy and I are on a bike ride. I'm on my new trike, and can't really see from this angle, but Randy has his leash on around his ankle. As you can see, he does not like it, but he tolerates it, which I like. But yeah, no buts about it. So pretty. Yeah, this is our, we're gonna go in home pretty soon here. Yeah. The view. Sycamore Ranch is gorgeous. Alright, people. Ciao.